This is a single spoonful of water, a quiet, everyday sip. And hidden inside it are more molecules than there are grains of sand on every beach on Earth. You could never count them one by one. Not in a lifetime, not in 1,000 lifetimes. So chemists invented a smarter way to count the uncountable. Let's meet it 4 times, each time a little deeper. First, the big idea. Atoms and molecules are unimaginably small. Even a single drop of water holds so many of them that ordinary numbers simply give up. But we already have a trick for handling big counts. When eggs come in 12s, you don't count eggs, you count dozens. A dozen is just a name for a fixed number, 12. Chemists do exactly the same thing, only far bigger. They bundle a huge, fixed number of particles together and give that bundle one name. Count the bundles, and you've counted every particle inside. Now, how it really works. That bundle is called the mole, and the number packed inside one is Avogadro's number, 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd. Think of it as a chemist's dozen, just staggeringly large. Written out, that's roughly a 6 followed by 23 zeros, about 600 sextillion. 1 mole of anything means that many pieces. A mole of water is that many molecules, a mole of carbon, that many atoms. Why such an odd number? Because it's chosen so that 1 mole of a substance weighs an amount you can actually measure on a scale. The mole is the bridge between the world of single atoms and the world of grams. Finally, let's go deeper. Here's the payoff. Each element's mass on the periodic table is also its mass, in grams, for 1 full mole. Hydrogen is about 1 gram per mole, oxygen about 16. So 1 mole of water, 2 hydrogens, and an oxygen weighs about 18 grams. You can't count a mole of molecules, but you can weigh it. And because reactions happen particle by particle, a balanced equation is really a recipe written in moles. 2 moles of hydrogen gas and 1 of oxygen make 2 moles of water, H2 plus O2, a 2:1:2 ratio. Weigh out those proportions, and the recipe scales perfectly with nothing left over. That's stoichiometry. From 1 spoonful of water to a balanced equation, 1 number understood at 4 depths. And remember salt? Its 1:1 ratio of sodium to chloride, NaCl, is a mole ratio too. The mole is how all of chemistry learns to count.